Welcome to Do It Yourself Bladder and Pelvic Floor. I'm Jane Appleyard, a pelvic health therapist with years of experience. I've treated thousands of women with sensitive, overactive bladders and pelvic floor problems. In an ideal world, every woman will be able to see a pelvic health physiotherapist. The reality is, sometimes that's not possible, and some women can't or just don't want to start with a clinic appointment. They're keen to focus on self-help, and that's fine. With the correct evidence-based guidance, a self-help approach can work. The problem is the internet is a maze. There's some sound advice hidden in and amongst misinformation, expensive product promotions, and inappropriate exercise techniques. DIY is a unique self-assessment and treatment program aiming to take you through the transformation from a woman whose bladder and pelvic floor issues rule her life to someone who can step out with confidence in her continence. Each of the 4 videos are jam-packed with information. So we will go back to basics so you can understand more about how your below the belt bits are put together, and finally put a label on your symptoms. You learn how to assess your own pelvic floor, including the superficial sex muscles and a fit clit technique, how to calm down a panicking bladder and set in place a rehabilitation plan. We look at 2 simple home treatments that may speed up your improvement, and finally there's a relax and release guide for your pelvic floor muscles, followed by an onwards and upwards section giving advice about pelvic floor strengthening and fit clit exercises. No guesswork, no confusion. Affordable, accessible pelvic health therapy that you can start today.